In this video, I will show you how to replace the Liftgate Sport struts on your Kia Sportage. If your back door is no longer staying up or feels heavy to lift, it's time to replace the worn-out struts. It's a simple process you can do yourself in just a few minutes. Let's get started. A small flathead screwdriver is all you need to do this job. First, open the liftgate fully and secure it in place with your prop or have someone hold it steady. You don't want the liftgate falling while you're working on the struts. To remove the old strut, look for the retaining clips at both ends. Use a flathead screwdriver to gently pry up the clip. Be careful not to completely remove the clip. Just lift it enough to release the strut from its mounting point. Once the clip is lifted, pull the strut off the pin. Now pry the retaining clip from the other side of the strut. Then pull it out from its mounting point. Here is a close-up of the strut with its part number. With the old strut removed, take a clean rag or paper towel and wipe down the mounting pins to remove dirt, grease or debris. Apply a small amount of lithium grease to the mounting pins. This helps reduce friction, prevents rust and ensures smooth operation of the new struts. Take your new strut and align the socket on the thicker end to the mounting pin on the body of the vehicle. Press the strut onto the pin until it clicks into place. You should hear or feel a secure snap. If the retaining clip is lifted, just press it in until it clicks into place. Repeat this for the other end of the strut. Ensure the orientation matches the old strut. The thicker end is attached to the body of the vehicle and the thinner end is attached to the door. Repeat the process to replace the other strut. Once both struts are installed, carefully remove the prop. Test the tailgate by opening and closing it a few times. It should lift smoothly and stay open without any issues. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Wheels Joint for more DIY car maintenance tips. Thanks for watching.